Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to qualitative data analysis using macro. Assuming we have this transcript of interviews, okay, from a particular participant, okay, with this format. So first thing to do is to click layout, okay, then click your line number, then select restart each page. You'll notice that each line is given a line number, okay, until to the next page. So to do the analysis, these are all just assuming the things that we're gonna have to do. So first you go to review and then select the statement where you are going to put a code to it. So from here, for example, we select the first sentence, and so we click the new comment here, and then with that you write your code, assuming this code is about data analysis. Okay, then proceed to the next. Okay, you put a code. Okay, assuming this is about buzzing technology. You can do also multiple coding for a particular phrase or statement. You can do such as, for example, 21st, or um, let's try to do some data analytic as our code. Okay, and then we have here another code. For example, this is about institutions. Okay, and I could recode this to about daily data, assuming, right? And then this one here, we can code this about like log files. Okay, what else? We can code this about customer data, right? And then this right here, can write here about enormous data, until such a time that you're able to analyze the entire document, right? So here, software. Okay, here can recode this as, for example, um, insights, okay, and so on and so forth. Assuming you're done analyzing the entire interviews of your participants, so the next thing to do is to extract these statements. Only those highlighted with codes will be extracted. Okay, so go to view and click select macro or macros, then select our macro code to extract all of those. You run it. Okay, it will ask you, do you want to extract all comments to a new document? Just click yes. Okay, then click, from there you click OK, and so you will have this document here. Okay, so you will notice you have here the page number, the line number, the significant statement, and then the codes of that statement. Take note that not all in our transcript are extracted. Only those with highlighted the statements with their codes are actually extracted. Okay, the next thing to do is to copy this. Just click these four headed arrows here, Control C to copy, then open your Excel file. Okay, let's try to open an Excel file. Okay, so we have here our Excel file, and then let's try to extend letter C, column C, because as you will notice here, our significant statement has more data. So let's try to, with that, we copy first here, Control V, and so we have here our extracted data. Okay, let's try to adjust our codes. Next thing to do is to organize, okay, the patterns based on the codes by selecting the columns, then go to data, then select filter. So you'll notice we have here buttons here. So we use this to group our codes. Okay, so just click this, then select all those terms or codes that have patterns or meaning of the same meaning. For example, data technology, buzzing technology, or we could say customer data, daily data, data analytics, enormous data, okay, and log files. These are all about, okay, we copy this, okay, then I will just create a new sheet, then paste it here. Okay, so this is our code. So we can now put that in a theme or a category, for example. So just go to home, then merge and center. Okay, that, then wrap text. Let's say, for example, this is all about data. Okay, then we put it in a table. Okay, and this one is pointing to that table here, the bottom. You can actually put a color in it. Actually, that same thing for this. You can put color in it. Alright, so let's go back again to the previous sheets and try to look for another pattern of your informations. Right, so again, unselect. Okay, for example, software, insights, institution. For example, assuming. Alright, so these are our data, the code. Then you go to sheets, then here, paste it there. Assuming this is all about these are all about training, assuming. Okay. Okay. Then you put colors in it, right here. Okay. Put that in a theme. There you go. So with this, you can copy it, or assuming you can still merge these two codes or themes. If you cannot, then that would leave it as a theme. Or if you can still merge this, okay, you can actually merge that again. Okay, there you go. Assuming this is all about capacity building. Then that, then I'll put a color in it to emphasize. Okay. Then I will connect this one and also this one. And this one, just copy this. Open your Microsoft Word. If you're working on the results, I'm here. So this will be your theme one. It's about capacity building. Okay, that's your first theme, and this is now the diagram of your first. This is the code, the categories, assuming, and this will be this is your theme. Okay, you can actually choose other layouts from your inserts here. You can use smart art. Okay, just make sure that the concept of the data and shared experiences speaks about your diagram. All right, so from here you start now writing your discussions or in-depth discussions about this theme in support with these two categories and these codes here. You can actually go back the to your Excel to look into what is the line number or the page number or even the the participant who said on that particular statement by copying, of course, the significant statement. Okay, that's how we perform analysis, qualitative data analysis using our macro. Right, that's all for today. Thank you so much. I hope you'll be able to start writing and finish your qualitative data analysis. Good luck.